In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics. This setup is the foundation for tracking what people do on your website, like where they come from, which pages they view, and how they engage with your content. First, go to Google Analytics in your browser. Make sure you are signed into the Google account you want to use for managing analytics. Once you are inside Analytics, you will be in the area where you can create a new property. A property is essentially the container that holds all the tracking data for a specific site or app. In the property creation screen, click into the name field and type the name you want to use. Use something clear that you will recognize later, especially if you plan to manage more than one website. After you enter the name, click Next to continue. Now you will see a section where you need to choose an option from a drop-down labeled Select One. Open that drop-down, then click into the selection area and choose the category that best matches your business. In this walkthrough, select Computers and Electronics. Choosing the right category helps Google provide more relevant benchmarking and reporting features. After that selection is made, click Next. On the next screen, you will see several highlighted options to confirm and complete the remaining property details. Click each highlighted field and choose the appropriate settings shown on your screen, moving from one selection to the next. Take your time here because these settings define how Analytics organizes your reporting. Once everything is selected, click Create. When you create the property, you will be prompted to choose a platform. This is where you tell Google what you want to measure. Click Choose a Platform, then select Web, since we are setting up tracking for a website. Next, fill in the highlighted fields for your web data stream. In the first highlighted field, enter your website URL. In the next highlighted field, enter a stream name. The stream name can be your website name or something like main website, as long as it is easy to identify later. Finally, click Set up Data Stream. This creates the web stream that Analytics will use to collect data from your site, and it prepares the tracking details you will use for installation in your website setup. That covers everything you need to know.